Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going to be cutting through the noise around a new fintech solution. It's called PayRyzen.
Right.
And our mission is pretty simple. We want to get you up to speed on what really matters with this brand. It's promising smart global payments for, freelancers,
Right.
remote teams.
Exactly. The goal here is to extract what PayRyzen says it offers, really break down its costs, because the numbers are key, and then, of course, flag the big caveats.
Okay, so let's start with the core offering. It really seems to be targeting the international remote worker.
Mm.
So if you're a freelancer outside the USA, the whole idea is you can open a dedicated USD account.
Which lets you get paid from those huge platforms like Upwork and Fiverr without any trouble.
Exactly. But this is where it gets interesting. The pricing structure, it's not that simple.
Not at all. There are 3 different monthly options. So if you just want a virtual card, that's going to run you around $10 a month.
Which is pretty standard. But then there's the physical card option, for actual travel and spending.
And that's where the price just jumps.
It jumps way, way higher. We're talking around $100 a month.
$100 a month?
I mean, for $100 a month, that card better show up on a gold-plated drone.
Yeah, that's a massive price point for a physical card in this space. It's almost unheard of.
And there's a third option, right?
There is. If all you need is the ACH account, for standard U.S. bank transfers.
Yeah.
That's their lowest tier. It's about $5 a month.
Okay, so beyond that, that sticker shock from the physical card, the usage itself seems pretty comprehensive.
It does. They talk about worldwide spending. You can shop, withdraw cash, manage everything from their app.
And loading the account.
Standard stuff. Bank transfers, card payments. And they mention some local networks depending on where you are.
All right, let's shift to security. What are they claiming?
Well, they're offering all the claims we've, come to expect from modern fintech.
Bank-grade encryption.
Yep. AI-powered fraud detection, real-time monitoring, all the buzzwords there to build trust.
But the promises aren't the whole story, right?
Not at all. The real question is whether there's robust insurance or regulatory oversight to back any of that up.
And that brings us to the really crucial bit of data we uncovered. That $100 price tag, you expect that from an established brand?
A brand with a long track record.
Right. But third-party analysis suggests the PayRyzen website is actually quite new.
Very new. And seems to have limited traffic, which means very little user experience data out there so far.
So that adds a layer of risk.
A big one. If you connect that newness to the premium price, it really advises you to, proceed with caution, at least until more user reviews surface.
So if we put it all together...
Overall, PayRyzen has this attractive-looking package.
Yeah.
You get the USD account, virtual or physical cards, global spending. It looks perfect for an international freelancer.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener? PayRyzen is positioned as this sophisticated package.
But the price points, especially for the physical card, demand some really serious thought.
Which leaves us with a final, provocative question.
Exactly. A question for you to really consider based on your own need. Given that very high monthly fee, $100, for the physical card, and balancing that against the fact that this is a new brand with almost no public traction, how much value would you actually need to get from that card every single month to justify paying that kind of premium for a service that just hasn't proven itself yet?